The 2017 XC90. The Volvo XC90 provides refined luxury with unrestricted pleasure on the side. Experience the Volvo XC90 from the inside out and see why you'll want to take everyone on tour. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.